Hello everyone, it's me Nicole, ElectroYogi Electrolysis, owner, founder, and your electrolysis goddess. How are you today? I am here to address something that people ask all the time, that's come up before. I've talked about it in other videos, but it is my best friend, shaving. And the reason I like to talk about shaving is that there are temporary methods of hair removal, and there is one truly permanent method of hair removal. The one truly permanent method of hair removal is electrolysis. Works on all hair colors, all skin types, gray hair, blonde hair, red hair, dark hair with dark skin, does not matter. Works on all hair, head to toe. Electrolysis, permanent, FDA approved. American Medical Association deemed permanent. We cannot say that, my friends, about laser hair removal, even though I wish we could. I would love for it to have worked on my whole body, head to toe. It doesn't, and it won't work forever, and it does not work on all those hair colors and skin types. Permanent electrolysis. Temporary, we have the spectrum: waxing, tweezing, threading, sugaring, epilators, depilatory cream, and how did I start off our video? My best friend, shaving. Why I love shaving is because shaving is the most wonderful temporary method to remove your hair that does not stimulate the blood that feeds our follicles. So it's inexpensive, it works. If you're going to a party but you've been working on your upper lip and you don't want to go out with any fuzz at all on it, ladies, gentlemen, anybody, I don't care, you can shave it off. It will not make anything worse. Hence my favorite temporary method until you get to my most favorite permanent method, electrolysis. So when in doubt, friends, please shave your hairs. Shave your hairs, shave your hairs. Do not tweeze your hair. Do not wax your hair. Do not thread your hair. Come to electrolysis if you can, but know that you can shave until the cows come home. And unlike what you may have learned in the past or been taught, because it's a myth, is that shaving makes it worse. It does not. And if you want further details on that, ask me a question, make a comment, like this video, subscribe to the channel, ask me anything you like, but I'm here to help. And I hope that this was a helpful tip to save you time, money, pain on your journey to becoming permanently hair-free, if you want to be, with electrolysis. Have a happy, healthy day. Bye.